Yeah, interesting. And then we got, oh, I like this one. Uh, freepulse.io at freepulse.io tweeted the Bitcoin stock to flow model alias 100K laser eyes failed.
Man,
Yeah, that was Willy Woo, right? That's what people have to realize, that indicators work until they don't. And the longer they work for, the less likely it is to keep on working. And it's like the silliest thing. And that's why what you really see is like, what I don't like is people redraw the lines and then they say based off that, like, okay, now these are the new lines and like this is what we're following. And it's like, if you had to redraw the line, doesn't that nullify your thesis of the indicator? And what is to stop you from, continuing to redraw lines like you see with the Bitcoin regression rainbow? And you even see that with, I hate to say it, but you see it with the hex regression rainbow. Just indicators do not work. Another thing I'd say is that I used to watch Benjamin Cowan a lot, and I think he has a lot of good things to say, but he has also a lot of not good things to say. And what I don't like is that, like, he has all these indicators, and if you have to rely on more than one indicator, they all telegraph different results, different futures, and one of them is going to be right, and the others are going to be wrong. So if it's a different one that's right every time, doesn't that mean that indicators are just a bunch of trash? You know what I'm saying? Like, it doesn't mean anything. I mean, it's good for making money, off people selling them indicators. Like, you get to
but
charge.
The Furu finance indicator though is number one.
Yeah, dude, if there was an indicator that worked and was foolproof, I would totally sell it. I'm all for capitalism, but I'm an honest person, unfortunately, in some ways.
Yeah.
But, and indicators are just trash. What do you think about indicators, Ben?
Dude, I don't know. I enjoy watching like TA people and stuff because it's like fun and exciting, but I don't know. I mean, I think what you said is pretty accurate. I like something I've learned is like literally when Richard Hart called the top on the day, around that same time, all my family members were like, yo, should I buy some crypto? Like, how should I buy crypto? Oh. And now, like, in hindsight, I'm like, oh, man, And now, like, those same family members are like, messaging me, like, how are your crypto investments and all this stuff? And so I don't know. I think maybe like the no coiner friends and family like indicator is a good indicator, like sentiment, people's sentiment. But at the end of the day, it's like everything's so illiquid in crypto. It's like, how can you predict some random guy sits at his computer and decides to like dump his whole bag? You just can't, like, it's impossible. So
yeah,
but I do think there are trends and there's patterns, and it's fun to like. It's like astrology for men or whatever. So I can't remember. It's like, it's fun to be like, ooh, whoa, look at the pattern. Ooh, maybe
it looks. It's literally like it looks. I don't know. Everyone wants to be in control, and when it comes to the markets, it's something that you're not in control of. It's like so I guess it's just desperation for control and clarity. That's just not really there. And I think people would do stupid things for this false cushion. But I don't like. I mean, I like it. It is fun, like, per se. Like, I can't help. I succumb to the tendency of watching people do technical analysis from time to time, even though I think it's complete garbage. So I can't say I'm not guilty of looking into it sometimes. But what I don't like is that it does encourage people to try timing the market and try leverage trading. That's my gripe with it. But it is what it is. It's just kind of something that's really there.
Yeah, it's true. I that's why I think the long-term holding, especially Hex, like incentivizing you to stake long-term, is pretty awesome. Of course.
Yeah.